Hello YouTube viewers. Today I have some new item. It's called AIKON F42020 flight controller with OSD. So this is new flight controller, quite new. Comes packed in this box, as you can see. And I'm going to open it now. So it's firmly packed, very well packed. These are the connection cables and silicone dampers. Let me check this. This is the controller itself. As you can see, it's for small racing quads. And instruction manual. So actually the basic instructions, connection diagram, and what can I say? Its firmware is AIKON F4. Actually it's called F42020 Betaflight controller. It supports 2 to 6S batteries, and it's 20 by 20 size flight controller. It has a boot button here. I don't know if you can see it here. A standard mini USB port. This is connection. For connection cable, OSD, and optionally, if you need, optionally you can attach a barrel on it. So let's see the weight of this small item. 4.4 grams with, let's say, with cables, two types of cables inside. So one is just a cable with open wires here for soldering. The other one is if you are going to use a 41 ESC or something like this. So all up weight with cables and dampers is 6.84 grams. So it's really lightweight. What else can I say about this one? It has UART1 for serial, of course, UART4 for sport, and 2 additional UARTs for general use, soft serial for VTX control, and soft serial 2 for ESC telemetry. OSD, as I mentioned, is already inside. Black box, integrated voltage regulator, and that's almost about everything. What can I say for this board? I will test it on one of my mini quads soon and let you know the opinion. Again, this is new stuff. It should be really cool one. I will put the link in the description, and I got some promotional codes so you can buy it a little bit cheaper than without the code, of course. Okay, when I install this in my mini quad, I will make a flight review. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.